Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS social media icon hover effects. Let's start the code. First of all, we want to create HTML template and title is CSS social media icon hover effect. Let's open your Chrome browser and open the new tab, and we want to search font awesome 5 CDN link. And this is the link of the font awesome CDN. This is the font awesome link. Copy this link, close the tab and paste it. Inside the body we wanted a div and class name is Facebook. Inside this we wanted icon and this class name for Facebook icon. Let's copy this div and paste it 2 times. And we want to change this WhatsApp and this class icon for WhatsApp icon, and this class name is YouTube and this icon is YouTube icon. Save the file, refresh, the icons are visible now. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing is border box. So the file, refresh, the margin is okay. Let's start to style our body. Display flags, justify content space around, align item center, height 100 VH, width 100% and background color #262626FF. Save the file, refresh, the background color is okay now. Let's start to style our div. Display flags, justify content center, align item center, position is relative and height 100 pixel, width 100 pixel and font size is 50 pixel, border radius 10 pixel, and we want to add box shadow, that was 1 pixel, 60 pixel and color is black, and we want to add background color, that was RGBA 255. Copy this and paste it 2 times. This is 0.1 and cursor is pointer, overflow will be hidden. Save the file, refresh, the icons layout is okay now. Let's create div before. Inside this, content, display block, position is absolute, height 100 pixel, width 100 pixel, border radius 50% and bottom will be 70%, left 70% and z index -1. Let's copy this div before and paste it, and this is after, and we want to change this top and this is right. Let's create class Facebook before. Inside this we want add background color, that was doja blue and box shadow 1 pixel, 60 pixel and color is doja blue. Let's copy this and paste it, and this is after select these colors and we want to change this royal blue. Save the file, refresh. Icon is looking good. Let's copy this and paste it 2 times. And we want to change this WhatsApp, and we want to change this line, and these colors are lime green. Let's select this Facebook and we want to change this YouTube, and this color is red, and we want to change this also hash F70237F8. Save the file, refresh. The icons are glowing. Let's create div over before. Inside this we want an animation, slide 1, duration is 0.5 seconds, linear forwards. Copy this and paste it. We want to change this after, and this is slide 2. Let's start to create our animation. Keyframes and animation name slide 1, 100%. Inside this, bottom 0, left 0, and border radius will be 0. Copy this animation and paste it. We want to change this animation name slide 2, and this is top and this is right. Save the file, refresh. The hover effect is working. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.